Amazon optimization with ChatGPT, the future of e-commerce marketing. Introduction. Welcome to our lecture on using ChatGPT to optimize Amazon listings. In a time when artificial intelligence is revolutionizing the way we do business, it is crucial to understand and utilize the latest tools and technologies. 1. Amazon's algorithm landscape, a constantly changing terrain. The transition from a 9 to a 10. Amazon is currently using the A10 algorithm, which has replaced the older A9 system since 2020. This algorithm is at the core of product ranking decisions on the platform and is continuously evolving. Current ranking factors of the A10 algorithm. The A10 algorithm considers various factors that differ from its predecessor. Seller authority. A10 places more emphasis on the seller's reputation, including reviews, sales history, and return management. Sellers with higher authority are rewarded with better search rankings. External traffic. Unlike the A9 system, A10 prioritizes organic interactions and external traffic over paid advertising. Amazon rewards products that generate traffic from Google, social media, and influencers. Pricing. According to a Jungle Scout report from 2024, competitive pricing can increase conversion rates by up to 35%. Product relevance. The importance of product relevance for search queries has increased, making precise keyword optimization even more critical. Challenges for sellers. The constant evolution of the algorithm makes it difficult for Amazon sellers to achieve long-term success. Strategies that work today may already be outdated tomorrow. Therefore, it is essential to stay agile and utilize new technologies like ChatGPT. 2. Unlocking ChatGPT's potential for Amazon listings. Why use ChatGPT for Amazon optimization? ChatGPT offers Amazon sellers several key advantages. Time savings, automating a significant portion of listing creation and optimization. Consistency, maintaining uniform quality and structure across all product listings. Scalability, the ability to optimize hundreds of listings in a short period. Data analysis, automating competitor analysis and keyword research. Generation of optimized product descriptions. ChatGPT can create high-quality product descriptions through targeted prompts that appeal to both customers and Amazon's algorithm. The AI can identify and utilize emotional triggers, present technical specifications in an understandable manner, generate multiple variants for A/B testing, create SEO-friendly content with natural language flow, competitor analysis, and keyword identification. With ChatGPT, sellers can analyze competitor listings and identify weaknesses, extract successful keyword combinations from top listings, develop semantic keyword groups for comprehensive coverage, identify trending keywords based on current market developments, experiment with different prompts. The key to success lies in experimenting with various prompt strategies. Role-based prompts. Have ChatGPT act as a copywriter, market analyst, or customer. Context-specific prompts include detailed product information, target audiences, and market positioning. Iteration and refinement. Generate multiple variants and combine the best elements. Third step-by-step guide to using ChatGPT. Accessing ChatGPT. Option 1. Direct access via the OpenAI platform. Registering with OpenAI. Selecting the appropriate subscription. ChatGPT Plus recommended. Using the web interface for interactive optimization. Option 2. Integration into existing tools. API. Integration into Amazon Seller Tools. Browser. Extensions for direct access automation tools, like Zapier, for workflow. Integration. Creating effective prompts. Basic principles for successful prompts. Clarity and specificity. Define exact product details, target audience, and goals. Contextualization. Include market position, competition, and unique selling points. Structuring. Specify desired output formats. Titles, bullet points, descriptions. Examples. Provide successful listings as references. Sample prompt for product. Title. Create an optimized Amazon product title for product name. The product is description. Target audience. Target audience. Important keywords. Keywords. The title should be under 200 characters and include the most important search terms. Refinement and editing of outputs. ChatGPT outputs are rarely perfect on the first attempt. Successful optimization requires brand alignment, adjusting to brand language and values, factual accuracy, verifying all product information, compliance, adhering to Amazon guidelines and legal requirements, performance optimization, A/B testing, different variants. Fourth, practice examples and success stories. Case study. 1. Electronics product optimization. A seller of smartphone accessories used ChatGPT to revise their product listings. Initial situation. Low conversion rate of 8%, ranking 15 to 20 in relevant search results. ChatGPT strategy. Analysis of the top 10 competitors. Generation of emotional product descriptions. Optimization of bullet points for mobile users. Creation of multiple title variations. For A/B testing results after 3 months. Conversion rate increased to 15%. Average ranking improved to 6 to 8. Sales increased by 40%. Case study. 2. Listing creation automation. A seller with over 500 products automated their listing optimization. Challenge. Manual optimization was time-consuming and inconsistent. Solution. ChatGPT API integration into existing workflows. Template-based prompt generation. Batch processing of large product catalogs. 5. The future of AI in Amazon. Optimization growing role of AI in Amazon marketing. Integrating AI technologies into Amazon marketing strategies is no longer optional, but a necessity for competitive sellers. Current trends show personalization. AI enables personalized product descriptions for different target audiences, predictive analytics, forecasting trends and demand developments, multimodal optimization, integration of text, image, and video content, real-time optimization, dynamic adjustment of listings based on performance data, future possibilities of ChatGPT and other AI tools, enhanced analytical capabilities, sentiment analysis of customer reviews, automatic identification of optimization potentials, predictive keyword trends, improved automation, fully automated listing updates based on market changes, smart price optimization, automatic adaptation to seasonal trends, integration with Amazon systems, direct API connections to Amazon seller, central automatic compliance verification, real-time performance monitoring, emerging trends and technologies. Multimodal AI. Future systems will optimize text, images, and videos together. Voice commerce. Optimization for Alexa and voice-activated shopping. Augmented reality. Integration of AR product presentations into listings. Blockchain integration. Transparent product origin and authenticity verification. Conclusion and recommendations. Immediate implementation steps. Experiment with ChatGPT. Start with simple product descriptions. Develop prompt templates. Create reusable prompt structures. Implement A/B tests. Compare AI-generated content with manual content. Stay updated. Monitor Amazon algorithm updates and AI developments. Long-term strategies. Invest in AI tools and training. Build internal expertise for AI-driven optimization. Integrate AI into all aspects of the Amazon business. Continuously adapt to new technologies and trends. Final thoughts. The combination of Amazon's evolving algorithm and the capabilities of ChatGPT offers unprecedented opportunities for Amazon sellers. Those who adopt these technologies early and strategically will gain a significant competitive advantage.
Literature and sources. Amazon. A 10. Algorithm. Updates 2024 to 2025. OpenAI ChatGPT documentation. Amazon seller central guidelines. Current market research on AI in e-commerce.